So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset space catalog and click on enter. It's going to ask you to restart your computer, but don't do it yet. Now we're going to type in netsh space int space ipv4 space reset.log. Click on enter again. Again, don't restart your computer to complete the next step in the video. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to take a note of your network adapter name. So my one's called Intel R Pro. Your one might be called something else. You just want to take a note of the name. Now you want to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters. And then you want to find that same network adapter with the same name. You want to right click on it and then click on uninstall. And then click on uninstall again. Now once you uninstall it, you just want to restart your computer and then it should be installed again automatically. If it's not installed again automatically, you want to head back into device manager and then you want to click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes, which should then make it appear again, and then the problem should be fixed.